Hello, all the women out there. You're talented, you're beautiful, you're strong. You are not just your daddy's princess or Mrs. XYZ. You have a lot of innate abilities. It's time for you to listen to your inner voice. It's time for you to understand your hidden abilities. It's time for you to break those limited beliefs. It's time for you to shed those handcuffs which you are tied for yourself. It's time for you to set yourself free. It's time for you to rise from the ashes and fly like phoenix. It's time for you to redefine you. Happy Women's Day.
Hello everyone. A very happy Women's Day 2021 to all the beautiful mothers, wives, sisters, mentors, etc. A very happy Women's Day again. I believe we cross paths with certain people for a reason. For me, Jyoti Gupta ma'am was a godsend in true reason. She is an amazing, empathetic, and a kind hearted soul. Very accurate and professional in her readings. And I believe she is one of the best in her field. Her patience, her friendliness has created a personal touch with her. I am an immensely satisfied customer with her readings, and I totally recommend her services. Her tarot reading and her angel automatic writing were bang on accurate and correct in my case. And so, ma'am, I give you more power, and I want you to continue and keep up the good work which you are already doing, and all the best for your future. Lots of love, respect, and happy Women's Day to you, ma'am. Love you, ma'am. Bye bye.
Friends, I am Ruchi Tiwari from Allahabad. Uh, Jyoti Gupta ma'am is a good tarot card reading. उन्होंने मेरे बारे में, मेरे हस्बैंड के बारे में और मेरी फैमिली के बारे में, मेरे बिजनेस के बारे में जो भी उन्होंने टैरो कार्ड रीडिंग करी थी वो सब कुछ सही था. एज अ फ्रेंड उन्होंने मुझे फ्रेंड की तरह ट्रीट किया. शी इज़ अ गुड टैरो कार्ड रीडिंग एंड वी विश यू अ हैप्पी वुमेंस डे.
हाय, मेरा नाम कला नटराजन है. मैं मुंबई में रहती हूँ. कुछ दिन पहले मेरी एक फ्रेंड ने रेफ़र किया ज्योति मैम को. वो गुड टैरो रीडर है ऐसे बोल के, और मैंने उनके साथ टैरो रीडिंग की तो बहुत से प्रेडिक्शन सही रहे. और उन्होंने जो मेरे एट्रीब्यूट्स के बारे में बताया वो भी बहुत सही था. तो मैं बहुत इम्प्रेस हुई. रेकी ट्रीटमेंट ले रही हूँ, तो 15 ट्रीटमेंट हो चुके हैं अभी. और मुझे काफ़ी फ़र्क नज़र आया है. मैं बोल्डर हो गई हूँ. मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया है. मैं अभी बहुत टिमिड थी, अभी किसी से नहीं डरती, और मैं एक्सप्रेस कर पा रही हूँ अपने आप को. और ऑब्सेसिव थिंकिंग में भी थोड़ा फ़र्क हुआ है. तो थैंक्स ज्योति मैम, एंड ट्रिब्यूट टू यू ऑन Women's Day. Have a great Women's Day and a great life ahead. Bye bye.
Today is a joyous day of being Women's Day. It's a reminder to all of us how we need women in our lives to respect and to cherish. Whether mother, daughter, or spouse, we need them at all our life phases, and we must protect them just the way they nurture us. I would like to again once humbly thank the fact that all the women in my life have always inspired me to be a better man, and I hope that I'm always there to be of use and gratitude always towards them is what my motto is. You must always respect women, whether it's Women's Day, it's every day, because without women, men would cease to exist. So please keep that in mind and celebrate with honor and dignity the beauty of women, their minds, their hearts, and their nurturing and their selfless desire to help all those in need, whether it's the children, their husbands, their families. I love you all. Women, please take care. We need people like you, and we need good men in the city to respect and always take care of women. Remember that, guys. Women without respect are men without lives. Adios and have a great day, guys.